Hi, I'm Andrew, and today we'll discuss non-ASCII characters and the issues they create with email delivery at certain providers. What exactly are non-ASCII characters? A simple guideline for email composition is to avoid using characters not found on a standard keyboard. For instance, many word processors replace standard quotes with fancy or smart quotes, which have a curved appearance. These are not standard ASCII characters and are often automatically converted by word processors, including WordPress, a popular blogging software. Using these non-standard ASCII characters in emails may lead to them being flagged as spam or even bouncing at certain cable email providers. Having worked in email delivery consultancy for decades, I often advise companies to avoid these characters to enhance their email delivery. At Campaign Cleaner, we've included a feature in the campaign settings to address this issue. It's generally best to keep this feature activated. Now let's navigate to Clean Campaign. In this demonstration, I preloaded a campaign from Quest Diagnostics. Together, we'll identify the non-ASCII characters in it. I'll zoom in on the browser to make it easier to spot them. Here, I notice one EM dash, then one single smart quote. Now two more single smart quotes and two more EM dashes for a total of 6. Let's now run the Clean Campaign tool. It detected 6 non-ASCII characters, indicating we found them all. We'll check if the tool successfully replaced the characters we found. Yes, it looks like the longer EM dashes got replaced with a normal dash, and yes, the smart quotes got replaced with the standard straight quotes. To sum up, always stick to standard ASCII characters in emails for optimal delivery. This small change can significantly impact delivery in a positive way at many of the cable email providers.